Hey guys, and welcome to the Family Fudge. I'm Jennifer, and in today's video, I have a mega back-to-school Costco haul to share with you. All 4 of my kiddos start school on Wednesday, so today's haul is all about picking up ingredients to make some quick and easy breakfast, some quick and easy dinners, and I'd really like to stock up on all the snacks for school lunches for at least a couple of weeks or more. And you guys, make sure to stay tuned if you're looking for some fridge, freezer, and pantry organization ideas, because also in today's video, I'm going to take you along with me as I restock and reorganize just in time for back to school. Now, I know you guys, it has been a long time since I've shared a Costco haul with you. In fact, I think the last time we did, it was right at the beginning of summer. And if you missed that video, on our way to Costco, we made a special stop to get the kids some passport pictures for the very first time. And you guys, since that time, I'm happy to report that the good news is we have purchased some plane tickets for a special trip. We also found some cute replacements for our old broken luggage. And most importantly, we did get some passports in the mail. For some reason, we got everyone's passport except for Lily's. Now, I'm guessing that there was some kind of error with her application and it has been delayed. Now, honestly, I think we still have plenty of time for it to arrive before our trip, but we are going to cross our fingers. Now, for this Costco trip, I've made sure to bring my 2 pickiest eaters with me. That way they can help pick out everything. I do want to point out any of the new, fun, or interesting items that we find along the way, such as these water bottles. These would be really nice for back to school. My kids actually use water bottles just like these, except they prefer the ones that are a little bit bigger because they drink a lot of water. Also for back to school, we found these awesome binders. These are gigantic and they actually zip up and have a handle. We also found some workbooks that I don't think the kids were excited to see. And then if you are looking for school uniforms for little kids, definitely check out the ones at Costco. They are a really good price and really good quality. My kids have worn school uniforms in the past, but they're not going to be required to wear them this year. Now, I'm kind of sad about that, but I think my kids are happy about it. Now, definitely not on our shopping list, but we found lots and lots of a really cool Lego sets. Now, Miss Lily does have a birthday coming up, so I did let her pick out one for her birthday. And we'll just have to keep it in the closet until her birthday. We also found these really cute Sanrio hairbrush sets. There's 3 different ones to choose from. These come with a big brush, a small brush, and the scrunchies. And then at our Costco, we were able to find a bunch of new, really pretty sundresses. And of course, those are the things that the kids were excited to see. But personally, I was really excited to see these tumbler sets because they are on sale. Now, these are gigantic. They actually hold 40 ounces of water, and they sell the exact same thing at Target for twice the price. So I went ahead and picked up a red and white set for myself, and I also stopped and got this utensil set because a lot of my spoons and forks have mysteriously gone missing recently. So I went ahead and picked up this one. I think the price is really good for the quality. I've heard that some Costco's are already having Christmas items and decor in their stores, but here in Orlando, we have lots and lots of pillows. No Christmas decor, but there are lots of fall items right now. Finally, what we came for, the food. Now, like I said, in today's haul, we're just focusing on stocking up on our Costco favorites. I will pop into Aldi and Target for certain things, but today's trip is all about getting quick and easy things since back to school season gets really busy. Okay guys, we are back home now, and here is most of our haul. I did already stick the cold items and the frozen items in an ice chest, and that's because before we can put all of these new things away, Lily and I are going to quickly take everything out of the fridge and the freezer. As you can see, it is quite messy right now, and we have a lot of spills and a lot of crumbs, and I'm embarrassed to say we have quite a lot of really old cheese that I need to get rid of. Once we've taken everything out, we're going to be wiping things down and scrubbing things out. Now, when it comes to organizing in my fridge and my pantry, I love to use containers. I've had most of these containers for years. Some of them are from Amazon and some of them are from Home Goods. Recently, though, I did pick up a few new containers, and I'm really excited to try these ones in my deep freezer. Usually, everything just gets thrown in the freezer haphazardly, and it's really hard to find things. So I think these new containers are going to solve that problem. That way everything has its own little space, and hopefully we can keep things organized. This first section is for Eggos. Next is the frozen fruit section for smoothies. Also from Costco, I picked up some ground beef for dinners, and the same thing goes for the chicken thighs. So here's what it looks like so far. I love all the different sections, and pretty much anything that didn't fit in here, I did move to my deep freezer in my garage. Next is the top section of the freezer, and in here I'm going to be adding lots of grab and go items that are quick and easy, and these are things that the kids can make themselves. So now that the freezer is set, it's time to move on to the fridge, starting with the doors first. Next, I'm going to take this entire top shelf and turn it into a drink station. And to save on space, I did grab a new container that I'm hoping is not going to be too heavy for my shelf. Moving on to the next shelf, this is really going to be kind of a mixture of things. But I do want to make sure to save a spot for leftovers. Okay, next up is going to be the kids shelf, and I'm setting up this area so that the kids can easily throw these things into their lunches or grab one of these items for an easy after-school snack. And you guys, I really love these containers for fruits and for veggies. Number one, they're inexpensive. Number two, they come with a little drain tray on the bottom, and that's to help keep the fruits and veggies fresher for longer. And then of course, I like that these have handles because that makes putting them in the fridge and taking them out really easy. And then you guys, this last drawer is all about lunch meat and all kinds of cheese. Oh yes, and we cannot forget about the bacon. Now, I always like to buy this pre-cooked kind from Costco because it's so easy, but the bag gets kind of messy in the fridge and it takes up a lot of space. So I'm going to try out this new bacon keeper. I think normally with bacon you would lay it the other way, but since this bacon is already cooked, I'm going to lay it this way. And I'm going to fit as much in here as I can. And I'm actually going to be able to fit the entire package in this one container. Now moving on to the pantry, just like with the fridge, Lily and I are going to quickly take everything out. We're going to wipe down all of these shelves and toss out anything that's expired. Now I went ahead and topped off all of my baking goods and my pasta section, and I've also restocked a few of the drinks as well. Next to the drinks, this is going to be another section for quick and easy grab and go items. Next up is the cereal and lunch making section. Now at Costco, the kids picked out their 2 favorite cereals, and at Target, I picked out 2 of my favorite cereals. Now we've actually had these cereal dispensers for over a year now, I would say, and overall I really like them, but they can get messy sometimes in the pantry if the kids accidentally spill, and there are certain types of cereals that don't really work very well in this little dispenser, so things like shredded wheat or things that are too big don't work that great. Next, some bread for our sandwiches. We're going to make sure to keep these nice and fresh with our containers. We're also adding in some veggie straws for lunches and some Ritz crackers for those homemade Lunchables. And then you guys, right in this hanging basket is where we keep our tortillas. Now at Costco, we did pick up some English muffins as well. I'm going to add one of those packs to our bread box, and I'm going to stick the other one in the deep freezer. Okay guys, there you have it. I hope this video gives you some great ideas on how to organize your fridge, your freezer, and your pantry. And I hope it gives you some ideas of things that you might want to try on your next Costco trip. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.